That's where this morning drink works its quiet magic. It gently supports your liver, flushes out toxins, and helps restore proper bile flow, that natural digestive fluid your body uses to break down fats. When bile flows freely, your liver can finally perform its function, breaking down stored fat and using it for energy instead of letting it gather stubbornly around your belly or vital organs. Now let's talk about what goes into this powerful morning drink. Some people start their mornings with sugary smoothies or detox juices. Sadly, those do the exact opposite of what your body needs. They cause quick insulin spikes, crash your energy, and leave you feeling hungry soon after. The right drink, however, keeps your blood sugar stable and your energy smooth. And one of the most effective natural ingredients for this purpose is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, often called the liquid gold of natural health, has been studied for decades. Research shows that it can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 34%, helping your body use fat as fuel instead of storing it. It also helps reduce cravings and supports digestion. But like all powerful tools, it must be used correctly. Too much vinegar or taking it straight can irritate your throat and harm your enamel. The key is balance, about 1 to 2 teaspoons mixed properly with warm water. When taken in the right proportion, it becomes a powerful metabolic booster. The next key ingredient is lemon. Lemon juice not only supports your liver's natural detox process, but also provides a boost of vitamin C and antioxidants that protect your cells from aging and stress. When combined with apple cider vinegar, lemon enhances your body's ability to flush out toxins while improving digestion and fat metabolism. Together, these two ingredients form a gentle but potent fat-burning pair that works harmoniously with your body's morning chemistry. Now, when you add just one more simple ingredient, a pinch of cinnamon, the effect becomes even stronger. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, reduces cravings, and keeps you full longer. It's like giving your metabolism a smooth accelerator. This small spice can make a big difference, especially for seniors whose metabolism has slowed down over time. But none of this would work without the most important base: warm water. Warm water, not cold, not hot, just comfortably warm, acts as the perfect carrier. Overnight, your body becomes slightly dehydrated. That morning fatigue or fogginess you sometimes feel, it's often just dehydration. Warm water wakes up your digestive system gently, improves circulation, and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Now let's put it all together. Every morning, before eating or drinking anything else, mix 1 glass of warm water with 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, the juice of half a lemon, and a pinch of cinnamon. Stir it well, sip slowly, and feel it awaken your body from within. This is not just a drink, it's a message to your metabolism. It's time to burn, not store. And this is where I want to share a real story that changed my perspective forever. I once met a woman named Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher from Florida. For years, she struggled with belly fat that wouldn't budge, no matter how many diets she tried. She told me, "I felt like my body had stopped listening to me." Then one day, after watching a segment about natural metabolism boosters, she decided to try this very morning drink. She didn't change her meals drastically, she just added this drink before breakfast every day. In the first week, she noticed something subtle. Her energy in the mornings felt steadier. 2 weeks later, she felt lighter and less bloated. By the end of the first month, she was down nearly 7 pounds. But more importantly, she said she finally felt awake. Not just physically, but mentally. Her mind felt clear, her energy was constant, and her confidence began to return. 6 months later, she had lost over 20 pounds, not through restriction, but through consistency. She told me something that I'll never forget. This drink didn't just change my body, it reminded me that I still have control. And I'll share my own experience too. When I first tried this morning ritual myself, I wasn't expecting a miracle. But within days, I noticed I wasn't craving mid-morning snacks anymore. My focus sharpened, my energy lasted longer, and that midday fatigue simply faded. It was like flipping a switch inside my body. What started as a small experiment soon became a daily non-negotiable habit. I realized that when you give your body the right signal, hydration, cleansing, and nourishment, it responds beautifully, even at 50, 60, or beyond. Science supports this transformation. Studies from top institutions like Harvard and Johns Hopkins have shown that natural morning rituals like this, which lower insulin, improve hydration, and support liver health, can boost metabolism by up to 30%. That means your body burns more fat naturally, without extreme diets or endless workouts. The beauty of this morning drink is that it's effortless. It doesn't demand sacrifice or willpower, only consistency. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated recipes, just nature's ingredients: water, lemon, vinegar, and cinnamon. And the results? Real, visible, and lasting. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter, your digestion smooth, your energy stable, and your waistline shrinking little by little. Imagine looking in the mirror and realizing your body still listens. It just needed the right message. That's the power of starting your morning right. So starting tomorrow, make a small promise to yourself. Before that first cup of coffee or tea, take 1 minute to prepare this drink. As you sip it, remind yourself that you're choosing health, energy, and longevity. You're telling your body, I'm on your side, and slowly, day by day, you'll notice the difference in your body, your mood, and your confidence. If you're over 60, this one small habit can be your turning point. It's never too late to reset your metabolism or reclaim your vitality. The moment you give your body what it truly needs, it begins to heal itself from the inside out. So go ahead. Tomorrow morning, before the world wakes up, give your body the gift it deserves. You've spent years taking care of others. Now it's time to take care of you. And before we wrap up, I want to say this from the heart. If this message spoke to you, if you felt inspired to start your own small morning transformation, please like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with your friends and loved ones. Because sometimes, one small video can be the start of someone's new life. Also, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried this drink? Have you noticed a difference? Or do you have your own morning ritual that gives you energy and peace? Your story might inspire someone else to start. Remember, it's not the big things that change our lives, it's the small habits we do every day. Those first few moments after we wake up. So make them count. Start your morning with purpose, with intention, and with nature's simplest gift. Because this one drink has the power to melt fat, awaken energy, and renew your confidence from within. You deserve that. You've earned it. So tomorrow morning, take a deep breath, make your drink, and let your body thank you in the most beautiful way possible.